about doing something for me. It's all about me today. I fancied soda bread. Now, before you say, I don't like soda bread, I prefer brown soda bread. Yes, soda bread. Adding chocolate chips is a game changer. So, in my trusty granny bowl, I have got 450 grams of plain flour. I am adding 1 teaspoon of bread soda. Now, bread soda, did you know, is 3 times the strength, 3 times the strength of baking powder. So if you're going to be putting it in, you're making this beautiful rise divine soda bread. We have got 100 grams of butter because I'm bold this morning. I could put in 50 grams, but I'm not putting in 100 grams. You can put in 50 grams. In it goes, and we're going to show me the money, show me the money. Now, I also what do I do? What day is it today? Who am I? It's that sort of a day, isn't it, lads? I normally get a zest of orange and I put it into my flour mix, which is absolutely fine, except my kids don't like rind of orange. But if my beautiful Sophie zooms in, this is what we're doing today. It is a gorgeous, light, fluffy, cake-like, delicious, crumbly, buttery taste of goodness. And it's divine soda bread. So I couldn't really fit that all into one sentence, so it is traditional Irish. So the twist is I'm adding lots of butter into my mix. I cast of sugar. I know there's a lot of sugar, but hey, don't care. Don't care anyway, because it's going to be my bake today because this is my particular favourite. So I have got my gorgeous plain flour and show me the money technique. Okay, show me the money. And from a height, just incorporating a little bit of air, in our bread soda has gone. So in our soda, beautiful grammar in English today, lads, I'm on fire. In goes my cast of sugar. And again, just give it a little mix. Now, controversially, I have an egg. I have 350 mils with a little bit over, just one for the pot, just in case I might need more. I have got 150 grams of Baked Stable chips. Now, Baked Stable, these are Calamo dark chocolate 55%. They're absolutely divine, which means that as you bake the soda bread in the oven, you're not going to end up with a big blobby goo of chocolate. The chocolate nibs will stay in your soda bread. So into the well, I am putting in an egg. Clean as you go. Love it. So I've got my 350 mils of buttermilk. Don't throw all your buttermilk in because you may not need all of it based on your eggs. So in I go. In like the claw. Into the claw. So this is a cross between your traditional soda bread, your brown soda bread. The buttermilk is divine. If you don't have buttermilk, you can use 350 mils of ordinary milk and you add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, I would never get 2 teaspoons of lemon juice unless you're using that artificial muck. Don't use that. Use 1 squeezed, fresh, divine lemon. That will give you the equivalent. Leave the milk for about 15 minutes and let it do its magic. Now this is lovely and soft and it's not, see I have a little bit of the buttermilk left over based on the egg. So again, taking it out. No. Take off all your flour mix and incorporate every last bit of your gorgeous mix, because what I don't want is to add any more moisture because I want to have maybe 50 grams. I'm not going to incorporate because what I don't want is overworking. Don't overwork your dough. A bit like myself, tiny bit of flour. Give it a dunk, 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 dunk. Look at that. That is magnificent. So I have got my tray behind me. Dust and everything. Magnificent. Now before I wash my hands and have all this gunk down the drain, again, show you my little tip, even though You've seen it many a time. Get some flour and wash your hands with the flour, because what it does is it gets rid of all the excess before you try and wash that down the drain. You can use a bench scraper. So get rid of all the flour on your hands by giving it's while I get a knife. I should have put it on the table. Back again. Down I go to pray that this may you rise and be deliciousness for the O'Flaherty family. I had to do a second one because that was the remnants of about 5 minutes when it came out of the oven, because it's so good. So this goes into an oven, 180 for 40 minutes. In it goes. Full of chocolate chips. Now another tip as well, because I'm going to do another one for grannies, is that you can have 200 grams of fruit and you can add your sultanas or your raisins or your mixed fruit. What I tend to do is I get an orange. I squeeze the juice of one orange and then I leave it overnight, and I've got this lovely plump fruit that I will be adding to my soda bread. So this morning's class was traditional Irish soda bread with a twist. I've added chocolate chips because my kids love it. Lads, I shall see you tomorrow at 10.